So next up in the manual are the two MIDI jacks and then the RCA jacks or phono jacks next. So let's go ahead and take a look at the MIDI jacks. It should just sit down in there, and hopefully I can get enough tension there to hold it in square and just get one pin soldered up. Do the same thing with the other MIDI jack. It's clear to, hopefully these phono jacks are going to snap in. They are not. In this case, having the assembly jig here actually is really useful for this, because it's got, of course, the arm here to hold stuff in place. Hopefully it's holding it in somewhat squarely. Oh, see, I saw it move, and it moved a whole bunch. Gonna have to come back around and reflow that one solder joint and square up these and make sure they're flush to the board. Man, that's taking a lot of solder. Why is that taking so much solder? Where is the solder going? Did it go all the way through the board? It sure did. Okay, I'll try that again. There it went. So I guess I really just can. That must be flush. This one looks like it might move a little bit or not. I'm not touching the center pin with my thumb, so yeah, I felt it move and come down. Oh, even with pushing that pin. Doggone it, that was not what I wanted to see. Try this one again. There's really only going to be two solder connections on these. Come on. Not happy with that solder joint at all. Need something to protect my finger that I can push with. Come on. Oh my God, why? Where does all that solder go? Went everywhere but where I needed it to go. Oh, I didn't mean to drop that. Let me get something here with a little bit more thermal mass to it. Damn it, where is all that solder going? I really don't understand how to approach this because the solder is just flowing through. The entire body of that jack is now covered in solder. Like there's a huge solder ball under there. That is certainly not what I wanted to have happen. I should have bent those tabs over, or oh. Well, really not happy with that. Let's see if I can bend the tab over. I can. Oh, did it short? No, I probably should have bent it the other direction. Can I get it to... Well, here's the first time we've struggled in the build. Can I get it to fold over the other way? Wow, it's interesting it bent in one direction really easily. And it went. That may solder a whole lot better there. I can get this to draw all that solder off of there or not. Walk that one back out. And that one, and I'm going to look to clean. So here's the issue. All of this solder that built up right here, I really don't need it on there, and it would keep potentially a connector from plugging onto that. So it's kind of a mess. So how to clean that off of there? Well, I need to be able to hold on to this because it's going to get rather warm. That lifted off the majority of it. There's a little bit on here as well. That seemed to get that. Okay. How hot is that? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, that really blows. That hit all my capacitors that were so beautifully lined up. Boy, this is turning into a big pain in the backside. I have actually dealt with the correct footprint for these, and it solders really well. So this is the first place to me where I found the kit kind of lacking if this was done properly, it would have kind of snapped into place. And all 3 of the pins on it would be soldered, where they're only soldering 2 of them, which is not great for stress relief. Well, what I thought would be a 2-minute video has turned into a whole lot longer than 2 minutes. Well, it is what it is. I wonder if that other tip has cooled off yet. I managed to drop the tip I had on here, rather than have it catch in the holder. It's probably well cooled off by now, but I'll re-engage it. Don't need it. Those are really just strain relief. They're not electrical connections. Okay. Ow. Something still hot there. Wow, that turned into a lot more work than I expected. J1 and J2 are in. The 3 PC mount. I'm assuming those went, yeah, those went on the top of the board. We're really getting down to the final bits here, but I will wrap this video up here. This went way too long because of the rework we had to do there. I'll see you in whatever the next video is.